and welcome to my channel, and in today's video we'll discuss about ancient history's first lesson, Stone Age. So you can just grab your notes and note the points. Hunters-gatherers. The early humans were known as hunters-gatherers. They were called so because of the way they collected food. They hunted wild animals, birds and fishes and gathered fruits, roots, nuts and leaves. So you can remember like this are the early humans hunted wild animals and they gathered plants. So because of that they are known as hunters gatherers. Early humans were nomads. The early humans were nomads. They were called so due to this. They were wanderers basically. The early humans moved from one place to another in search of food. The early humans moved to other places to hunt animals. If they would live in one place for longer periods, they would exhaust all the plants and animals. And third reason is the early humans moved to other places in search of fruit-bearing plants, seasonal plants. Harsh climate also forced early humans to move. They also moved in search of water bodies such as lakes or rivers. So, now we'll discuss about tools used for scavenging and hunting. The earliest among the early humans were scavengers. They survived either by gathering plants or scavenging flesh of dead plants. Due to this, gradually they started hunting animals. This might be a reason for because they started hunting animals. They developed tools with stone with handles made of wood and bone for hunting animals. It was not generation like us that they would use plastic as handles. They would use bone and wood as plants. Stone tools are most important archaeological sources for the study of early humans. So these are some stone tools which I am showing: the hand axe, cleavers, flakes and some hoe-like thing for which they would use. They were unshaped. Now we'll discuss about Stone Age. Stone Age refers to the period in human history characterized by the production of stone tools. On the basis of the types of stone tools, historians has divided the Stone Age into three periods. So basically this is a stone tool. According to the production of stone tool, they are divided: Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and Neolithic Age. Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. Paleolithic Age. This is Old Stone Age. So what is Paleolithic Age? We are going to discuss what is Paleolithic Age and what are the three phases of Paleolithic Age and what are the tools they would use in this Paleolithic Age. What is Paleolithic Age? The word Paleolithic is derived from Greek. Paleo means old and lithos means stone, which means Old Stone Age. Stone tools and cave paintings of this period are found in many places in India. They are found in some sites, and these sites are divided into three types. So, first in habitation sites. These were the sites where early humans lived. Most of these sites included caves and rock shelters. In India, these caves and rock shelters are found in Vindhyas and the Deccan Plateau. So basically, in these sites, early humans would live. And the examples of some places in India are Vindhya Hills and Deccan Plateau. And next is factory sites. These were the sites where early humans used to make stone tools. These places contain blocks of stone, discarded tools, and chips of waste stone. So these places they would use for making stone tools. Habitation sites, they would live. Habitation and factory sites. These sites were used for both purposes, for making stone tools as well as to live. Early humans would live for longer periods in the sites. There would be a question in which sites they would live for longer time. So the answer is habitation and factory sites. Now we'll discuss about the tools they used. The Paleolithic people made crude and unpolished stone tools. Based on the tools, the Paleolithic period is divided into three phases. So basically, in this period, they would use crude and unpolished and unshaped tools. They are not even shaped. As I showed you a pic, in that how it was, the hand axe was even unshaped. It was like not shaped at all. And for now, we will discuss about the three phases of Paleolithic. Lower Paleolithic Age. The tools used in this period were mainly hand axes, cleavers, and chopping tools. Now we will discuss about the Middle Paleolithic and the Upper Paleolithic. Middle Paleolithic, people largely use flakes for everything, for cutting trees or for farming, or like any other things like hunting animals also. And now we will discuss about the Upper Paleolithic Age. In the Upper Paleolithic Age, you might also comment some more examples also because there were so many things in that age. Upper Paleolithic. The tools mainly include burials and scrapers. So I'm showing a picture of scrapers here. These are the scrapers which they would use for hunting animals, to cut trees, or to scavenge, or to cut the flesh of animals. So, Paleolithic way of life. People in Paleolithic period lived in caves and natural rock to protect from the harsh climate. During this time, fire was also discovered. People used fire for lighting up the caves and scaring away wild animals. The paintings and engravings found at rock shelters are found in Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh and Adamgarh also. Now we'll discuss about Mesolithic Age, that means Middle Stone Age. Mesolithic Age is also known as Middle Stone Age. During this period, there were so many changes. Like in Paleolithic Age, if you compare with Paleolithic Age and Mesolithic Age, there were so many changes in this period. That's what we call it Middle Stone Age. So, we will now discuss about the changes like rise in temperature, rapid development of grasslands, which in turn increase the number of grass-eating animals. The rise of grass-eating animals made early humans' life easy for hunting and for food. The vast grasslands also contain grain-bearing grasses such as wheat and barley, from which they started farming. The people of Mesolithic period used small stone pygmy tools made of jasper chalk or bloodstone. So you can call them as microliths. The use of animal bones as tools along with stones marked the biggest change in life. The beginning of art making clay also made a biggest change in Mesolithic period. Now we'll discuss about Neolithic period, that is New Stone Age. There were so many changes in this period. People started farming, people started also weaving, also they started so many things like clothes. According to, they would wear animal clothes, they would use also like a farm like weaving. This age marked new age was also well-shaped polished stone tools. People started making use of metals such as copper to make tools. There were so many Neolithic sites in India such as Mehrgarh and Chirand. So basically family, in this Neolithic age there is a lot of history. Paleolithic age, crude and unpolished stone tools. Well-shaped and polished tools in Neolithic age. People were mainly scavengers animals. People domesticated animals. People clothed them with animal skin. People weaved clothes. People lived in caves and rock shelter. People lived in huts. So you can write this comparison in your notes also, because this is so useful to understand the changes done in the Neolithic age from the Paleolithic and Mesolithic age. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet in the next session. Signing off, Snigdha.